Lauren, did you want to show me a trick of Brenna's? Okay.
And Addison.
Oh, you guys make a funny faces, Brenda. Addison, do you do it too? Let me see. Let me see.
Kirsten, don't, you're distracting.
There you go. How about Addie? Do you do it, Addison? There you go. You silly babies. Brenda almost looks scary. Oh, you do, Addie. Oh. What are you guys teaching them? Ah.
What were you teaching? She left her eyebrow up.
Yeah.
What are you guys teaching them?
Well, I asked you that.
To snort.
To snort? There you go, Brenda.
I think they both do it and it's both really funny, but I think Brenna's is the most funny.
I know. Okay, you're gonna get a headache. So, okay, go finish your dinner. Bye, baby.
Bye, baby.
Oh, Karsten. And Lauren. Okay.